The Kreg Mobile Project Center combines the portability you want with the versatility you need. It's a workbench, sawhorse, clamping station, assembly table, and more, all in one. So you can work on projects whenever, wherever, and however you need to. Setting up the Mobile Project Center is easy. Just open the legs, then pull the tables up and they automatically lock into place to create a big 27 3/4 inch by 31 1/2 inch surface. There's also a shelf underneath that can hold 25 pounds worth of tools and project supplies, close at hand but out of the way. A heavy gauge steel base and reinforced polypropylene table construction gives the Mobile Project Center 350-pound capacity on top of those tables, so you can easily work on pieces large and small at a convenient height from all sides. The tables feature recessed trays that can hold hardware, small parts, and other supplies, and are equipped with a pair of handy drill holsters. Holes in the tabletop also accept the 4 included bench dogs. The Mobile Project Center provides much more than just a work surface, though. It also allows you to securely hold your projects in place while you work. A thick aluminum track between the tables accepts the included Kreg bench clamp. Slip the clamp into the track and you have a powerful, versatile hold-down system that can slide and rotate to meet your needs. The bench clamp is equipped with Kreg Automax technology that adjusts the clamp automatically to match your material, whether it's thick, thin, or in between. The Mobile Project Center also gives you the clamping capability of a bench vise by placing the bench clamp into one of the keyhole slots on each end of the track. In this position, you can easily clamp boards or other workpieces in place vertically, or clamp them by using the bench clamp together with the included bench dogs. For additional hold-down clamping versatility, the Mobile Project Center also can accept a Kreg wood project clamp, slide the clamp pad into a channel under the table, and then position the clamp wherever you need it. Want more workspace? The Mobile Project Center offers options. You can connect 2 together easily using connection keys. This gives you extra versatility thanks to bigger tables, higher load capacity, and an extra long track. You can also use 2 Mobile Project Centers together to make an expanded table for an even larger space. Just attach the included support brackets and then span between the project centers with 2x4s. Lower the inner tables, lay on a piece of 3/4 inch plywood. It fits flush with the track and tables, and you have a space large enough for just about any project. With the Mobile Project Center, versatility continues when you fold both tables down. This creates a sawhorse like no other. Sometimes when you're using a sawhorse, such as when you're sawing, pounding, or working with rough surfaces, you may want to protect the aluminum track. That's why the Mobile Project Center comes with a pair of bushings and screws. Just attach them to a length of 2x4, and then slide it into the track to create a sacrificial surface. With all of these great features, the Mobile Project Center offers versatility and capability you just can't get with a conventional workbench or sawhorse. Add in the ability of moving the Mobile Project Center to wherever you want to work, plus the ability to fold it down and store it out of the way when not in use, and it's easy to see why the Kreg Mobile Project Center is the solution you need to make any place your workspace. To learn more about the Mobile Project Center and other workspace solutions that allow you to create with confidence, visit kregtool.com.